In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to plot pie charts within Excel. So here we have some data. This column here is just covering the countries that we have, and here's just the number of employees from each said country. Now what we can do is we can highlight all of this data, and we can come up here to our Insert tab. Press into Insert, and we can come down to this little drop down with the pie chart right here. Now we can hover over each pie chart to see which one we would like, or we could either choose donut as well. Now in this case, we're going to choose 3D pie chart. We can hover over each piece of the pie chart and see what percentage of the employees are from each region. So in this case, we can see United Kingdom, 15% of the employees are from there. This one has 24% of the employees from the USA, etc. Now we can also customize this chart a little bit. If we come here to chart elements, we could also add data labels. Now, after adding our data labels, we could press into here and we could change where we want everything to lay. So for example, I like doing data callout. I could press onto that, and then it's automatically going to fit to outside end. Now you can see it's formatted as a percentage and it's not interfering with the actual pie chart. We could press onto this paintbrush chart styles and we could hover around to see what we really want. So I like the look of this one, so I'm going to choose onto this one. And now that changes the entire chart on its own. And it also added its own legend. We can then come back in here and do any other customizations we would like, or we could press directly into these cells and it gives us this entire option to change anything we'd possibly want within the pie chart. I won't go too in depth on this. You guys can go and experiment on your own as that's the best way to learn. But here's just a basic introduction on how to use pie charts within Excel.